too well I can see where we all soon will be. If you strip away the myth from the man, you will see where we all soon will be. Started to believe the things they say of you. You really do believe this talk of God is true. And all the good you've done will soon get swept away. You've begun to matter more than the things you say. I don't like what I see. All I ask is that you listen to me. And remember, I've been your right-hand man all along. But you have set them all on fire. They think they've found the new Messiah, and they'll hurt you when they find they're wrong. I remember this whole thing began. No talk of God, then we called you man. And believe me, my admiration for you hasn't died. But every word you say today just gets twisted round some other way, and those will simply find you alive. Nazareth, your famous son should have stayed a great unknown, like his father carving wood. Did I make good? Tables, chairs, and oaken chests would have suited Jesus best. Did have caused nobody harm, no one alarm. Listen, Jesus, do you care for your race? Can't you see we must keep in our place? We are occupied. Have you forgotten how far that we owe? I am frightened by the crowds, for we are getting much too loud.